Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.